Chris here, welcome back to the lab. Today we're going to be using our balloon popper from part 1 to test out which size of our calcium carbide reacts the fastest. When calcium carbide is exposed to water, it produces acetylene, which is ignitable and produces a very bright flame. In this experiment, we are going to be testing 3 different sizes of calcium carbide. One large rock, a little bit of small bits, and a lot of fine-grained powder. As scientists, we want to make sure that all of our samples have the exact same mass, or close to it. Also, the amount of water we're going to use for the reaction must be the same. Balloons are great indicators of how fast our gases are expanding visually. Let's fill our balloons up with some samples. Oh, by the way, this is dangerous. Do not try this at home. Now that we're ready, comment below with your predictions. Which balloon will pop the fastest? Pause the video now. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Looks like our fine powder won. Here's what I think is going on. Think of it this way. This is the big rock. When engulfed in water, the outer surface is wet while the inside of my hand isn't. If I open my hand and place it in the water, now both surfaces are now wet. This is what happens when you crumbled up the rock into fine powder. That was really fun and cool to see how surface area affects reaction rates. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like. Check us out for the weeks to come. We have a lot planned. Take care.